Hey, what's up, Anchor coin holder? So this is live price prediction of Anchor coin, my brother, and this time Anchor is completely on the trending and crypto market, and definitely people are starting investing in Anchor coin. So the Anchor price is totally increasing now. 64.86% the price is increased in last 1 month, and the highest price, as you can see here, 0.108945 USD dollar. But the current price is also very good now, 0.100564 USD dollar. I think the price is continuously increasing, and there is absolutely chances to the price will more increasing. I will give you a proof in this video, my brother. I will predicate this coin, and exactly, my brother, I will share my opinion. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you. Before I start this video, please, for more this type video, you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, at this time, as you can see here, the price is increasing. So one thing I want to tell you, to if a short time investor, they are starting holding, they are starting investing more and more, so definitely the coin will move moving upward. But if a short term investor, they are starting selling, they cannot hold, so therefore the coin is very badly falls down. So I will notify you, my viewers, my subscriber, to please hold it now. You need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope to the price will be increasing. So especially remember, my viewers, my subscriber, to in the last 10 days of every month, every coin will moving upward now. The price is increasing now. So therefore Anchor, absolutely, there is a chance to the Anchor price will be increased now. So kindly, if you want to get a profit, so I will give you guarantee to in last 10 days of month they will make you millionaire now. Please invest now and hold it now. Thanks for watching Anchor coin holder. Please like video and subscribe channel.